Are you working in an office or from home, mostly computer work, and your HR department is tracking your productivity? This device right here could ease your stress and fool your team's management software. And who knew a mouse jigger could be that important? The device comes with a very long USB-A to USB-C cable right here, as well as a one manual piece of paper right here, which is very easy to use, and the product itself. Now, the product can be powered via USB-C right here. You can be powering it using your computer's USB port or an external power source like a wall desktop charger or even power bank. Basically, because it is an external device, it's considered undetectable. That's why it's called a manual mouse jigger. It has this texture fabric surface plate right here where the mouse can rest on and scan properly, so it's fooling the onboard sensor of the mouse. Aside from that, on the very sides, left and right side, has this foam insert to prevent any scratches from touching to your mouse surface. The device itself does not draw much power, only 1 watt, and it's perfectly silent. You don't hear any motor noise. To control the device is quite easy. The controls are located on the left side right here. You have your power button and the adjustment buttons right here. How the device works is basically the plate will spin into one direction, pause based on the timer value that you set, and move onto the opposite direction, and the cycle repeats. So on the front right here, you have the LCD screen. Green shows it's moving, then the timer on the side right here. So let me show you with a 5-second timer right here. So once the LED turns red, that's where the plate stops moving and the timer will go down to 0. Then it starts to move on to the opposite direction. So I have tried the mouse jigger right here with various mouse size and configuration, starting with my Logitech MX3 Master right here. Is a big mouse, but it fits perfectly and it starts moving the plate where the sensor thinks that is you moving onto a particular surface area right here. So it fits well with a big mouse. Even let's say a MX2S Logitech clone version from another brand like from Rapu right here, it fits perfectly well even for big mouses. Let's say if you're using a small mouse or with wire, there's a notch right here where you can rest the cable onto it and voila, it's perfectly fine. So currently it's paused, now it moves onto the opposite direction. It works with various mouse. Now personally, I would give one recommendation is if you're using your mouse throughout the day, do randomize your DPI settings. Maybe you can go from 400, 1006, 2005 up to 3000, or some mouse up to 8000 DPI, right? It's because you want to randomize as much as possible. So in the event that if you set 1 DPI throughout the day, maybe the software, the HR management tool may detect as a fraudulent activity. And because if you're using a low DPI in your monitor screen, low DPI means the mouse moves at a shorter distance. Let's say 400 DPI is about this much right here. And if you set the DPI sensitivity to higher, let's say 4000, it may move a bigger distance. So DPI settings also play a part in how much you want the mouse to virtually move with the mouse jigger right here. So let me sum it up. This is an ultra affordable device that is softwareless, driverless, and practically plug and play solution that can work with any mouse you may have. So it's practical for everyone who may have monitoring software employed to their computers, or remote working where you have anxiety where people just monitor you due to KPI reasons. Strangely enough, more American companies are all about KPI based, whereas we Asians, we thought we were the KPI masters, and yeah, suddenly the Western countries does not look good in Asia. Yeah, but jokes aside, this is good for people who are working from home, who may be manhandling their kids, helping with their elderly parents, or doing some housework, or whatever activities you want to do while doing this with you. I'm not a judge of your actions. You choose the better lifestyle for your choice right here, but I can say that the device works as intended. It is surprisingly affordable. I never thought of this device actually exists because the companies that I work, even I was a former auditor, we don't do these things Yeah, so I'm not sure what kind of work it requires a mouse jigger, but if it fits your needs, you can find these links down below in the video description. Remember to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other weird office gadgetry we should review next, because yeah, so happens to stumble on this and it's interesting. So thanks once more for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe. The more subscribers we have, the more content we have for you, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.